Hi, I'm Karen for ExpertVillage. Now we'll be grating up the potato and the onion. I like to use a food processor fitted with a grating blade to grate an onion. But if you don't have a food processor, you can use a hand grater like this. And you just put the grater over a plate or a bowl, and using the large grating section, you grate that. You want to watch out when you're grating by hand that you don't grate your fingers. Okay, so that's like that. For the food processor, we'll put our cover on, and this part we'll remove. And make sure that the potatoes fit in the grating section. Just put your potatoes, if you can fit more than one in the feed tube, that's great. I like to put a few potatoes through and then put the onions through, and that'll help keep the potatoes from turning brown. The onion will naturally keep the potatoes from turning brown. And we'll put our last two potatoes. Okay, now our potatoes. If you have any pieces like this, we'll just discard it. And we'll set that aside for a minute while we prepare our eggs and our oil. Now's a good time to preheat your oven to 400 degrees.